Welcome to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we'll be discussing the latest fashion trends of Bollywood actress Taapsee Pannu. In her recent photo shoot, Taapsee is seen rocking the ultra-chic look in a wide range of trendy bikinis. But she didn't stop there. She took things a step further and spotted a glamorous pair of boudoir knickers and bra. The video, which is also featured on the magazine cover, shows Taapsee posing seductively for the camera. She has paired the same black briefs with a skimpier bra adorned with a netted cover. And let me tell you, she looks absolutely hot. At a recent fashion show, Taapsee turned heads with her stunning look in a red shimmery gown that was embroidered with sequins. She accentuated her look with a broad golden necklace and kept her curly hair open, opting for minimal makeup. But that's not all. A picture of Taapsee in a red hot dress with an extra plunging neckline is going viral on the internet. In the picture, the sexy actress can be seen wearing a heavy designer neckpiece featuring intricate traditional motifs while smiling and posing for the camera. And of course, she looks smoking hot in the red dress. Taapsee's stylist has been dropping pictures of her voguish looks on Instagram, and the theme for all the shoots has been monochrome. In her two most recent black and white photo shoots, she is dressed in two gorgeous black bodycon ensembles, looking like a true vintage goddess. In the initial set of photographs, Taapsee is seen wearing a knee-length black bodycon outfit. The ensemble features a round neckline, full-length sleeves, cutouts that expose the shoulder, a bodycon silhouette that accentuates the curves of the actress, and a back slit. This dress is from the clothing line of designer Rocky Star. To complement the attire, Taapsee opted for gold-toned jewelry, including chunky bracelets and floral-shaped earrings. To give the ensemble a finishing touch, she opted for pointed stilettos featuring killer high heels. And to round off her hairdo, Taapsee tied her long curly tresses in a sleek center-parted ponytail. For her makeup, she opted for kohl-rimmed eyes, smoky eyeshadow, a nude lip color, and mascara on her lashes. The actress was recently spotted in a stunning summery outfit. For her appearance, she picked a white mini dress that had puff sleeves, an empire waist, and a crinkled detailed bust with a short length. And let me tell you, it looked absolutely gorgeous on her. To add functionality to her outfit, she paired it with striped sneakers and tied her hair up in a ponytail. All she needed for the finishing touch were oversized silver hoops. The short-length crepe dress has a gently flared fit with a sweetheart neckline and puff sleeves, and it's perfect for any summer occasion. Taapsee is a fashion icon and is known for her love of experimentation with different styles. She has been seen sporting saris in various styles, from traditional to contemporary. Her saris often have quirky prints, bold colors, and unconventional draping styles. Taapsee Pannu is also a big fan of pantsuits, which she wears at various events, both in traditional and modern styles. She often pairs them with bold accessories and statement shoes to complete the look. When it comes to dresses, Taapsee Pannu knows how to rock each one. She has been seen in dresses with bold prints, sequins, and ruffles. She also loves to experiment with different lengths and styles, from short and flirty to long and elegant. Taapsee Pannu is also a fan of fusion wear, and she often wears outfits that combine Indian and Western styles. She has been seen wearing crop tops with lehengas, saris with jackets, and salwar kameez with sneakers. As a fitness enthusiast, she often sports athleisure wear when she's out and about. She wears leggings, crop tops, and sneakers in bold colors and prints. When it comes to traditional events and functions, Taapsee looks stunning in lehengas with intricate embroidery, bold prints, and unique designs. She also looks fabulous in jumpsuits, which she often chooses in bold colors and patterns and pairs them with statement shoes. Crop tops are another favorite of Taapsee, which she wears with different outfits, from saris to skirts. She often chooses crop tops in bold colors and patterns to make her look stand out. She also wears skirts in different styles and lengths, often pairing them with crop tops, blouses, or t-shirts depending on the occasion. Denim is another staple of Taapsee Pannu's wardrobe, and she often wears denim jackets, jeans, and shorts. She pairs them with bold tops or accessories to make her look stand out. She loves traditional Indian jewelry, which she often pairs with her outfits. She has been seen in statement necklaces, earrings, and bangles, which add a touch of glamour to her look. Statement shoes are also a must-have for Taapsee, and she often wears heels, boots, and sneakers in bold colors and patterns. Her shoes often add a pop of color to her outfits and make her look stand out. Sunglasses are a must-have accessory for Taapsee Pannu, and she often wears them to complete her look. She has been seen in various styles and shapes, from aviators to oversized frames. Taapsee Pannu loves handbags, which she often carries to events and functions. She has been seen in various styles and colors, from clutches to totes. The actress is known for her flawless skin and toned physique, and in this video, we'll be sharing with you the tips and tricks she uses to maintain her beauty and wellness. She follows a strict skincare routine that includes cleansing, toning, and moisturizing. She also uses sunscreen daily to protect her skin from the sun's harmful rays. She believes that taking care of your skin is essential to maintaining a healthy and youthful appearance. Taapsee follows a healthy diet that includes plenty of fresh fruits, vegetables, and proteins. She avoids junk food and processed foods and drinks plenty of water to stay hydrated. Taapsee is also a fitness enthusiast and follows a regular exercise routine that includes yoga, pilates, and weight training. Moving on to makeup and hair, the actress prefers to keep her makeup minimal and natural, with a touch of mascara and lip balm to enhance her natural beauty. She also takes good care of her hair and uses natural products to keep it healthy and shiny. Taapsee often wears her hair in different styles, from a messy bun to loose waves, depending on the occasion. She believes that getting enough sleep and maintaining a positive attitude is crucial for maintaining good health and beauty. She tries to get at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep every night and stays optimistic and happy, which reflects in her glowing complexion and overall appearance. Taapsee is known for her love for traditional Indian outfits such as saris, lehengas, and salwar suits. She experiments with different fabrics, colors, and patterns and often adds a modern twist to traditional attire. In addition to Indian outfits, she also loves to experiment with modern Western outfits such as jumpsuits, dresses, and pantsuits. She often adds bold accessories and statement pieces to these outfits to make them stand out. The actress is not afraid to take risks and try new and unconventional styles. She often experiments with bold colors, prints, and textures and mixes and matches different styles to create unique and fashionable looks. She often keeps her makeup and accessories minimal and lets her outfits do the talking. She prefers to wear simple and elegant jewelry and often goes for a natural, no makeup look. But what really sets Taapsee's style apart is her confidence and grace. She often wears bold and daring outfits with confidence and elegance, and this reflects in her overall appearance. Whether it's a traditional sari or a modern jumpsuit, Taapsee Pannu owns her look and exudes confidence, making her a true fashion icon. The actress is not just an accomplished actor but also a popular model and a style icon. She has walked the ramp for some of the biggest designers at the Lakme Fashion Week, such as Ritu Kumar, Manish Malhotra, and Amit Agarwal, leaving everyone awestruck with her stunning outfits and confident walk. Her striking looks have also graced the covers of popular fashion and lifestyle magazines like Femina, Cosmopolitan, and Brazier, to name a few. Taapsee has also been the face of numerous ad campaigns for brands like Puma, Coca-Cola, and Nokia, where she showcased her natural beauty and elegant style. Her versatile and experimental fashion choices have been a hit with both national and international audiences. She has even modeled for international brands like Nivea and Pantene and featured in publications like Vogue and Harper's Bazaar, gaining global recognition. Taapsee Pannu's impressive modeling career has helped establish her as a style icon in the Indian film industry. Taapsee prefers to use a lightweight foundation or BB cream that matches her skin tone to keep her skin looking natural and glowing. She avoids heavy or cakey products. To make her lips stand out, she experiments with bold lip colors and shades such as red, burgundy, and dark pink. She pairs the bold lip with a neutral eye makeup look, usually with a hint of eyeliner or kohl to define her eyes. She also likes to use natural eyeshadow shades like nude and brown to give her eyes a soft and natural look. She adds a subtle glow to her face by using a highlighter on the high points of her face such as cheekbones, nose, and brow bone. To contour her face and give it a more defined look, Taapsee uses a bronzer. She usually avoids using false lashes and instead uses mascara to enhance her natural lashes. The actress believes that natural lashes look more elegant and do not weigh down her eyes. Taapsee loves to mix and match different styles and colors to create unique and stylish outfits. She is not afraid to experiment with bold prints, patterns, and textures to create a statement look. According to Taapsee, comfort is essential when it comes to fashion, and she always chooses outfits that make her feel comfortable and confident. She often opts for comfortable yet stylish outfits such as jumpsuits, pantsuits, and co-ord sets. The actress loves to accessorize her outfits with statement jewelry pieces such as earrings, necklaces, and bracelets. She also likes to use scarves, belts, and bags to add a pop of color and texture to her outfits. She is often seen sporting sneakers with her outfits, and she believes that sneakers can add a casual and sporty touch to any outfit. She pairs sneakers with dresses, pants, and skirts and always manages to pull off the look effortlessly. When it comes to the red carpet, Taapsee's style is all about creating a statement look that is elegant and sophisticated. She often opts for gowns and dresses with unique cuts and designs that flatter her figure. She pairs her outfits with minimalistic jewelry and makeup to let her outfit do the talking. Taapsee, born on August 1, 1987, in New Delhi, Taapsee started her career as a software engineer before pursuing her passion for acting. She made her acting debut in the Telugu film Jummandi Nadam in 2010 and then made her Bollywood debut in the 2013 film Chasham Bahadur. Taapsee has acted in films across multiple languages, including Telugu, Tamil, Hindi, and Malayalam, and has won several awards for her performances, including the Filmfare Award for Best Actress for her role in the 2018 film Mulk. Apart from her acting career, Taapsee is known for her outspoken and fearless personality. She has spoken out on various social and political issues and is an inspiration to many. She is also an avid traveler and has visited several countries around the world, including Japan, Spain, and Italy. Taapsee is a fitness enthusiast and follows a strict workout regime to maintain her toned physique. She also works as a model and has walked the ramp for several fashion designers at the Lakme Fashion Week. Additionally, Taapsee is actively involved in various social causes, such as women's empowerment and education, and has worked with several non-profit organizations in India. The actress is not only a talented actress but also a role model for many. With her fearlessness, dedication to fitness, and commitment to social causes, she has become a true inspiration to people all around the world. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.